Mastering cause and effect analysis in lectures and speeches. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of cause and effect analysis, focusing on lectures and speeches. Understanding the cause and effect structure can significantly improve your comprehension of complex academic and professional discussions. So let's get started, shall we? Cause and effect is a relationship between events or things, where one is the result of the other. This is a concept we often encounter in various areas of life, not just language. In English language studies, cause and effect can be seen as a type of connection that links situations and their outcomes. Understanding this relationship can help you better understand the content, especially in academic and professional settings. When you listen to a lecture or speech, keep an ear out for keywords or phrases that signal a cause and effect relationship. Words such as because, as a result, therefore, leads to, and due to are all indicators. It's important to pay attention to these phrases as they help to identify the cause and effect relationship within the context of the speech or lecture. A great way to practice is by listening to academic lectures or speeches on topics you are interested in. While listening, try to identify the cause and effect relationships. For example, if a speaker says, "Due to the increase in global warming, sea levels are rising," the cause is the increase in global warming, and the effect is the rise in sea levels. Taking notes or making a cause and effect diagram can also be beneficial in visualizing these relationships. Analyzing cause and effect relationships in lectures and speeches not only enhances your comprehension, but also improves your critical thinking skills. It allows you to see the broader implications of a specific topic, and can even help you generate your own ideas for discussions or writings. That's all for today's lesson on analyzing cause and effect in lectures and speeches. Remember, language is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. So keep practicing and don't be afraid to challenge yourself with complex topics. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!